Cosmopolitan, also known as
Cosmopolitan!
Yeah!
Nice.
Yeah,
That was
I
lame.
love that. That was super lame.
That's why just so you guys participated in that.
Yeah.
Sure.
I like the Manhattan more. So, here's the Cosmopolitan. So the Cosmopolitan is a drink for Sex and the City, for women, for men who are, just want a light drink. But we're gonna turn it up a little bit.
Do you need more
Let's
than
say
that?
shittier
More than
and
that,
more
less than
annoying.
that?
Oh, that's perfect. We're gonna add pre-workout to it. and
That's
we're gonna do a
pre-workout.
They'll give you a nice little buzz, man.
I actually
promise
kind of
you.
want to go to bed tonight, so like,
No, you're fine.
I'll put the rest of it in. Put it.
fine.
Oh my goodness.
They'll get you a good buzz.
Just rub it on your gums. Oh, that's a good shit.
We just said it wasn't
nice.
cocaine.
Okay, this is your glass now
this-
because you still haven't finished it. You deserve this size of glass.
Okay, well,
You
can I
good
just
for-
finish the rest
Yeah.
of that one then?
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
It's fucking disgusting.
Here's
Great.
an here's an empty
dare
I
one.
mean,
you?
it's great.
It's a Manhattan.
Please make this at home.
Oh, sorry you don't abuse your wife. Okay.
Oh, boy.
You
Thank
do
you.
the lemon here.
That's
do
implying
the lemon.
that I could actually get away.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
You can have anything you want.
Wait, no, boy, here.
There you go. Look at that. Half rim. Beautiful.
Half rim?
Just do a half rim.
Oh, yeah.
Do a half rim. Nice. Or the whole rim.
Or the whole thing.
Well, I'm just. Yeah, there you go.
Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, can I get one more?
Is that pre? I love how we're doing it with pre-workout.
Well, if we're gonna be shitty douchebags, then we might as well be shitty douchebags. Let's do the math. Okay, so
I don't
also
know how to do math.
rimming a glass, man.
One sheet.
If you want to make
Two shitty douchebags.
1 + 2 is 3.
yeah.
Okay, so
Sorry.
I'm gonna juice the lime or lemon.
Yes.
Lime. Lemon.
Tastes nice though.
Oh shit, yeah, that tastes delicious. That might be the best drink we have.
actually
It's just
tastes-
pre-workout.
Dude, that
Pre-workout.
actually tastes really good.
It's
actually,
sour
like, yeah.
apple, man.
It's sour apple.
That's the flavor.
It's Midnight Dream by Oasis.
It's not
Okay.
a band, okay?
You're right. Okay, so let's do. Yeah, we got enough juice there. We're keeping that well anyway. Okay, so.
You hear that? That was weird.
Okay, so.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Alright.
Jesus, you took like a shot?
yeah.
All
I got the
right.
lemon juice. I got the lemon juice.
Okay, sweet. So we're gonna do 0.75 times 3, which is 1.5.
That man
plus
had open
7.5
hair on your
is 2.
Fuck put hair in your
Oh,
chest,
fuck
man.
me. Why did I just do math out loud? I just realized I can't do it. Okay, so what, 1.5 plus 7.75 is 2.25, right?
Of what?
Of lemon juice.
You said 1.75 plus 7.75
No. Okay, so
equals 2.75.
Okay, ready? If you guys could just somehow put an abacus in front of us, we can just figure it out.
Anybody have an abacus?
I don't have an abacus on
Tech
in their
crew?
pocket.
Tech crew?
Okay,
Nobody?
so I'm thinking it's
Our
7.
teachers
it's-
always told us in school, you're never gonna have an abacus on
If
on
we-
you when you
okay.
want one.
If we get stuck at measuring things, this is the darkest point. So
Oh, yeah, let's talk about it.
0.75
Talk about
times 2 is 1.5.
Every drink
Yes.
is in the darkest point.
0.75 times 3 is 2.25.
Wait.
Yeah,
It's like the
yeah,
brilliant,
yeah,
it's like
yeah.
the brilliant mind. Like, oh my god, wait, I can see you. Like,
I can see the numbers in front of me.
I need to crack the code.
I can see the
Hold on.
numbers in front
Wait,
of
why
me.
don't you just
if
do
I carry the
0.75
6,
times 3?
and if I just put that through an algorithm, it becomes 2.25. It's
Yes, it
2.25.
is 2.25.
Okay, excellent. We have the 3 greatest minds in Canada.
Okay.
2.25.
smart,
So
they
let's do.
wouldn't.
2.25.
yeah,
I need another
2.25.
lime.
No,
Edit
that's fine.
Lemon.
Edit
And
this
then
out.
all of a sudden we started squeezing lemons, and then this came out.
Oh, you
it's
squeeze
so
it so
weird.
natural.
It's so weird, dude.
It's
See,
so
the tri-
natural.
The trick to lemons is you gotta roll them a bit, and then you get juice.
And then squeeze it, yeah.
And then you
This
milk
is a
the
real
tea.
li- this
You
is a
milk
real
the
lemon.
tea
It's a real
of the
lemon.
lemon.
It's fine. No,
All
it's
right,
a real
so we're
lemon. It's
doing-
yellow
we're
and it
doing-
works. Okay, so let's get.
Did you just throw it?
No, I didn't throw anything.
You guys
Okay,
keep
so,
throwing shit. You actually, this just can't.
Not my house.
okay, so that makes sense.
Perfect.
Yeah, that made total sense. Okay, fantastic. So we got the lemon juice. We're gonna do simple syrup. Boom.
How much simple syrup?
How much?
0.75.
For
You're
each
in
one?
love with
whole
that
thing,
number.
whole thing.
You're actually
The
in love with
whole
that
thing.
number.
0.25
He
times
can't
3.
Per drink.
No,
He can
0.75.
free pour
So it's not
whiskey
it's not
into the
2.25?
first drink.
It's 3/4 of an ounce. 0.75.
I love you can just free pour whiskey
Stop doing
into
the
one
look of-
drink, but you
Wait,
have
do
to be
like not a
0.75
full-
Three-quarters of an
Just do a
ounce?
full ounce. Just do a full ounce, man. Just do
Okay,
a
man. Like, you're
But we're making 3 drinks here.
cut.
I know, it's
I'm cut.
0.25. It's 0.25 for one drink. So we're gonna do 0.75.
Oh, you didn't say that.
You didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Just to clarify, what is simple syrup?
So simple syrup is literally the mixture of sugar and water. But all you have to do is boil a kettle and then make equal parts sugar to water. It doesn't matter the amount.
And just let the
stir
sugar
it
like
up.
dissolve in it.
Stir it
like-
out. Yeah, stir it
Okay.
out. And then the beauty of simple syrup, honestly, if you want to do like you're making a fun like Moscow Mule. People love Moscow Mules right now. You could do like a ginger simple syrup. So you could boil it with ginger in it.
And like
then-
a sugar, water, ginger kind of thing?
Yeah, and you
Could you do that with anything?
Anything. So
Like
you could do
herbs? Could you do like rosemary?
Herbs, cocaine, methamphetamines, dragon fruit.
Okay, dragon fruit's actually,
Yeah,
that'd be
so-
awesome.
but
I
it's
think.
that
A
easy,
dragon
like-
fruit simple syrup, that's basically
Simple
like
syrup, like you think it's because it's a part of like most cocktails because the sweetness is like an old fashioned. You need the sweetness.
Yeah.
If you just put anything in it, you can get that flavor out, and you can just make any kind of cool cocktail. You go to a cocktail bar and you spend $14. You can make it at home with any flavor you could possibly imagine. You just have to boil it down. It's the Willy Wonka of the sugar waters.
Imagine. It's like the imagine.
Imagine this.
Can you please edit imagine into it?
Yeah. So now we have the simple syrup. We're good. We got the lemon juice. We're fine.
good?
Now we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do 2 ounces per thing. So custom numbers. So that's 6.
6 ounces, so 6 of these.
I do have a degree in
painful.
math.
I have a degree in
A
math.
mental degree in that.
I have a PhD. Pretty huge dick. Just kidding. It's not that big. Okay.
Is
where
anybody
we at?
counting?
No.
I'm pretty sure that's where we're at.
Was not.
Is that good? We're at 6. What is that? Cranberry juice? That's MDMA water with food coloring.
Tastes
Dear
like cranberry
God.
juice.
Okay, cool.
Must be
We're
cranberry.
good.
There's no booze in here.
You're right. So this is for the alcoholics who just want to have a good time.
Oh my God.
This one's for the recovering alcoholics.
You wanna hang out with your friends, do a little Sex and the City action, but you want to get drunk? You want to be the Samantha of the group? I get it. We all want to be the Samantha, but nobody wants to be any of the other girls.
So just one fluid per?
No, we'll do 2. Just pour the whole thing in. Let's be honest.
Honestly, man, just free
We're not
pour
going to
it,
reuse this
man,
vodka. It goes bad.
I think we need to shake this, but I'm gonna pour it in and we're gonna stir it. Because it'd be dumb to shake it.
No.
Oh,
Shake it. Just pour it in.
shaking, man.
Pour it in. Pour it in. Just, you guys are...
No, no.
Why?
Yeah,
What are you
yeah.
worried
Well,
about?
No,
pour
we're
it
not-
in, but then shake it. Don't stir it, though.
Don't be concerned. That fucking
Oh, you
thing.
do? Oh, okay. Actually, all of it.
That's my guy. So
Sick.
maybe, hey, how about this, Max? You split it with me, and we'll both shake it.
Okay. Wait, do you have a cup?
Yeah, just pour some in there. Nice, good. Couple
you gonna
times
shake?
back and forth.
What are you
Couple
gonna
times back and forth. Because what we want to do is we'll mix it in the glass. That's on your hands. Look at that. That's his bartending. You ever seen fucking a movie? Yeah, this is a movie. Okay. So what if this? Oh, that works.
That works.
The thing about bartending is a simple thing can do it.
That's why we have you on the show.
That's where you have someone who's special.
You're the simpleton.
Okay, cool. So, beauty. So we got that. Nice shake. Nice shake on it. So we have ourselves.
I'm
Just go
frothy.
halfsies.
Oh, that is not very pink. We definitely didn't have enough cranberry, but you know what? We're also alcoholics, so everything comes together.
That's honestly it. When you free pour the vodka, though, I think that's
Yeah.
what you're.
I
Okay.
think the
I think
trick
that's
is.
what you're gonna get.
If you're watching at home, try not to free pour. Honestly,
It's
measure
stupid.
your drinks out. 1 ounce of liquor is roughly a beer or a glass of wine. Like,
Yeah.
free pouring gets you nowhere. Or to bed.
Or
quick,
gets you,
I guess, yeah.
gets you somewhere pretty
It
quick.
gets
I
you
lo- I
somewhere,
love-
but like it's kind of a place you don't
is like
really necessarily want to
like
be.
a PSA. It'd be like, we're professional alcoholics. We always drink too much and always disappoint everyone. Don't do this at home.
Yes, we do.
Okay, fantastic. What we have here is a Cosmopolitan, but made into a man thing because we put
Pre-workout.
a
on the rim.
bromopolitan.
Bro- Cosmopolitan.
Make sure you lick your rim.
Make sure you
before
lick your
drink it.
rim.
Always.
If I had $1 for every time I licked a rim, am I right?
Oh my
I'd
god.
have $2.
I'd have $2. Saturdays are for the boys, Sundays are for the brunch.
And brunch is,
Oh, I like
dude,
that.
brunch is sick. Honestly,
I honestly can't,
I get
like-
so much pleasure out of brunch. It's weird.